Stuck staring at a blank screen in VirtualBox or running Ubuntu? Let's get that virtualization running again. First, consider the basics. Has the virtual machine been allocated enough RAM and CPU cores? Its settings. Booting up a VM with insufficient resources can lead to a stall. Ensure you've assigned adequate resources by reviewing the settings and adjusting them. The most common culprit is often the graphics configuration. Navigate to your VM settings in VirtualBox and select the Display tab. The graphics controller is crucial. Try switching between BoxVA or VMVGA and try starting your virtual machine after each change. Sometimes one of these options works better than the others, depending on your host system's graphics card. If changing the graphics controller doesn't fix the problem, the guest editions might be missing or outdated. In the VirtualBox menu, click Devices, then insert Guest Editions CD image. This installs essential drivers. You might need to restart your VM for the Guest Editions installation to fully take effect. Another option to explore, if you can somehow get into the Ubuntu VM, even with a black screen, or you can boot into recovery mode, is to try reinstalling the graphics drivers. Use the recovery mode. Reinstalling or updating drivers can also help resolve these issues. By working through these steps, checking resources assignment, tweaking display settings, updating guest editions, or reinstalling graphics drivers, you should be back up and running in no time. If all else fails, it might also be an issue with your Ubuntu ISO file and needs to be downloaded fresh. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.